Bentley says that heart health is all year long, not just in February. And certain foods are being studied to see what their benefits are for heart health. One of them is beets and beetroot juice. It's gaining popularity for its potential health benefits. Studies suggest that it may help with improving blood flow, improving blood pressure, and boosting exercise performance. However, more research is needed to confirm these effects. I'd say give it a try. See if it works, and if it does, continue it, and if not, stop it. Listen to your body. The good thing about beets is that they're full of fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that your body can use. You can roast them, pickle them, eat them raw, or maybe even make some borscht. This is Karen and Bentley with Epicure Nutrition. Follow us, share our post, and contact us if you have any questions or to schedule a meeting.